listahin.
Alright.
Okay, this is
Ladies open.
Racing for the ladies open.
Yes, na rin si Charlotte Galarde
Yes,
from
brother.
Team Honda from the Pride of Sagay City.
Beginners open.
Okay, so na rin ang atong lady rider.
Charlotte Galarde.
Okay, lady rider, ladies and gentlemen.
There we go. Hey.
Here we go. Holy shot by
From Team Honda.
from Team Honda. That is Charlotte Galarde. Followed by
Now leading the race from
Charlotte Galarde.
Philippines, Charlotte Galarde from Sagay City, Negros Occidental. Yes. GCW Racing. Ladies open up. Riders down. Uno.
Medical team 6, Malielta Minix. Minix, Malielta Minix.
Motor, ipadapin, alam,
Diyan na siya. Oh.
Minix, Malielta Minix.
Okay, Medic,
Dito sa starting area. First, sa starting area.
okay, still holding the first position, that is Team Honda Philippines.
From Honda Philippines.
Charlotte Galarde.
Sida Black. That is
Janet.
Yes, from Vibaras. That is AJ Colon for the Philippines.
Oh, grabe kulot oy. Ah, grabe. Triple na.
Engineer Racing.
Ayan, Charlotte Galarde still on lead. Followed by Hinahabol ni AJ Colon from Vibaras. Ayan na po. Still on lead from
Isa din.
Honda. Ayan, ninuwanan ni AJ Colon. Riding from Vibaras. Si Jeanette Olanda.
Still holding the first position. Team Honda Philippines, that is Galarde from Sagay City, Negros Occidental. And also running for second, that is of Vibaras. And running for third, that is GCW Racing. Jeanette Olanda. And International Racing.
Yes.
Grabe si.
And Chay Laro.
Fifth partner, fifth.
Running for fifth and nagaganda niya si Racing.
And also the racing team, si
Charlotte
Bianca.
Galarde.
Alright, beginners engage. Starting beginners open. And waiting area 65cc area. Attention ha, 65cc.
Charlotte Galarde. Ah, grabe kulot oy. Ala, makuha dyan siya ba? Lapen, lapen, lapen! Wala! Si Kulot ang sikwan! Wah, triple oh! Double si Kulot!
Kining ladies open partner.
At silan! Dale. Allah. White shirt, white shirt.
Ating mga ladies open.
Outside big one. Whoa! Okay, kulot.
Yes. Yung amigos, Mindanao, nakakadiri. Ay, steal! Minix, dahil dito sa mga baliw ko. Dito ako, medical team. Medical team, Minix. Isa ka rider, medical team, nasa mo. Isa ka rider, nasa mo.
Ano yun ito?
Kaya may igos sa motor.
Okay.
Isa na ka rider, nasa babaw.
Scarlet o kulot.
Okay, so, palihog ta. Kinsay mga pit crew atong anagdagan. Kinsa tong pit crew atong mga rider, palihog ko. Go, kaya ito bang imong speaker ko? Ay mong mic.